Saving money doesn't always mean cutting back on your favorite things. Quite the contrary, it's about making smart decisions that suit your lifestyle. We often harbor misconceptions about saving money, thinking it's all about deprivation. But that's not the case. In this video, we'll explore some unique, maybe even surprising ways to save money, without denying ourselves the things we enjoy. From cashback apps to bulk buying, we'll delve into methods you might not have considered. So, are you ready to discover the top 5 unconventional ways I save money every month? The first unconventional method I use to save money is cashback apps. These clever tools give you a percentage of your spending back in cash, just for shopping through them. It's like a reverse shopping spree. The more you shop, the more you save. There are plenty of these apps available, all easy to use and accessible from your smartphone. Some of my favorites include Rakuten, Swagbucks and Shopkick. Believe me, it's like getting free money for shopping you were going to do anyway. Another money-saving method I swear by is buying in bulk. This strategy works because per unit pricing is typically lower when you buy larger quantities. Think about items like toilet paper, canned goods, or your favorite tea. But remember, the key is to only stock up on things you use regularly. Buying in bulk isn't about hoarding, it's about being savvy with your spending. So the next time you go shopping, consider buying in bulk. Your wallet will thank you. The third method is a fun one: DIY projects. Think of all the things you pay others to make or do. Why not try them yourself? From knitting your own sweaters to growing your own herbs, DIY projects can be a great way to cut costs. Plus, they can transform into a delightful hobby. You can even make your own cleaning supplies or beauty products. It's not only about saving money, but also about learning new skills. So roll up your sleeves and start saving with DIY projects. So there you have it, the top 5 unconventional ways I save money every month. We've delved into the world of cashback apps where every purchase can mean a little back in your pocket. We've talked about buying in bulk and the potential savings that can bring. And let's not forget our DIY projects, where creativity and thriftiness go hand in hand. Each of these methods presents not just an opportunity to save, but also a chance to engage in fun and rewarding activities. Savings should never be an afterthought. Rather, it's a conscious and strategic decision that can lead to financial freedom. It's not just about the pounds and pence, but about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're in control of your finances. Give these methods a try and share your experiences. Remember, every pound saved is a step towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips.